how to fix game bar not recording in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix game bar not recording in Windows 11 problem. So first of all, you need to click on the Windows icon from here and then click on settings option, and then you can just select the gaming option from here and then game bar, and then you just have to turn it off and back on. And after that you have to click on the apps section from here and then click on installed app, and then you just have to simply scroll down and click on the system components from here. As you can see, here is the game bar options. Here you just have to click on the three dot and advanced options, and after opening the advanced option you just have to simply scroll down and click on the repair option from here. If the system component isn't working right, you can try to repair it and system component data won't be affected. And after that you just have to simply close it and click on Windows plus G button, and it will turn on the game bar option. And as you can see, it will now uh, record Windows 11. So you can just click on the capture option from here, and you can just click on here, or you can also start recording by Windows Alter and R key, and after that it will start recording. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.